In this step, we're going to create the home controller to provide access to our index view and our error view. To accomplish this, the first thing we're going to need to do is to create our controllers folder. After that, we're going to create our home controller in this folder. Now, you can choose to generate an entire controller, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the class, mostly because some tools don't support generating the controller, and the generated controller probably has more than we'd necessarily need for this. Once this class is created, the next thing we're going to need to do is inherit the controller class. You'll need to add a using statement to Microsoft ASP.NET Core MVC. Once that's done, you'll create a new method that is a public with a return type of iActionResult index. And it'll simply return, view, and we're going to specify index. You don't necessarily have to specify the view you're returning, but we're choosing to do so because being explicit will help prevent certain errors, such as if someone provides a model of a type string, as well as it makes it searchable. We're then going to create an action error that, just like a previous one, is going to return a type of iActionResult, and it will return a view of error.